Little Bahar loves 4shanbeh soori. 4shanbeh soori is the celebration of the last Wednesday before the Persian New Year. She celebrates it around a big bonfire with her family. There is also a little bonfire, and Little Bahar jumps over it and asks the fire to take her sickness away and to give her health. To keep her sickness away and to give her health. And she wishes that for the entire year. Little Bahar also loves to use a sparkler. One time, she forgot how hot it was. So, she touched the tip of the sparkler and she burned her finger. Oh no! I burned my finger! Oh no, it hurts! It hurts! Don't worry, sweetheart, it's okay. Come here, mommy. We're gonna put some lotion on your finger, and when you get up tomorrow morning, it will be alright. Don't worry about it. Just remember next time you're gonna use a sparkler, please use it with caution, okay? Okay, it is now your turn to make a bonfire. First, draw 3 narrow rectangle shapes like shown here. And then draw a circle and then draw the flames on top of the circle like that. With an eraser, erase the inside lines. Now repeat this and draw 2 more flames each time bigger than the last time. Now color everything. Cut out all these shapes like this. And now use a glue and assemble all these pieces together. Overlay the firewoods and glue them together. Glue the biggest piece of the flame on top of the firewoods. Cover it with a medium-sized flame and cover that with the smallest piece of flame like that. And there you go. You have your bonfire made with paper.